Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm pumped to dive into the CAMEL multi-agent framework, where we'll use Tic-Tac-Toe to train and test large language model agents with reinforcement learning. This is all about making AI smarter, teaching it to strategize and make decisions in dynamic scenarios. I'll break down how the CAMEL framework works, why it's awesome, and show you a quick demo. So let's jump right in. Why bother training AI agents? Well, large language models like ChatGPT are great at generating responses, but they often focus on pleasing the user rather than strategizing in complex environments. That's where reinforcement learning comes in. It rewards agents for smart actions, helping them learn optimal strategies over time. Using Tic-Tac-Toe as a simple testing ground, the CAMEL framework lets us evaluate how well AI agents observe, reason, and make decisions when interacting with opponents or humans. It's a fun way to see AI learn to outsmart its competition. So, what's the CAMEL framework? CAMEL is a multi-agent system designed to train and evaluate large language models using reinforcement learning in interactive settings. Here's the setup. We create a tic-tac-toe environment where an AI agent, powered by a model like ChatGPT, for Mini, plays as player X against an opponent, either a random player or another AI. The agent gets clear instructions. Pick a number from 1 to 9 to place your X on the board, follow standard tic-tac-toe rules, and avoid illegal moves. During gameplay, the agent observes the board state, chooses actions, and earns rewards based on performance. Think 0.5 for a solid move, 1 for a win, or 0 for a loss. Through a process called distillation, the agent uses synthetic data from these games to refine its strategy, getting better with each match. It's like training an AI to become a tic-tac-toe pro. Let's talk about how I set this up. I used a Jupyter notebook to run the CAMEL framework with a tic-tac-toe environment. First, I installed the required packages and defined the game rules, a 3x3 board, player X versus player O, with standard win conditions. I powered the agent with ChatGPT 4.0 Mini using an API key to get it rolling. The agent operates as a policy agent, handling decision-making and reasoning. It observes the board, picks legal moves, and gets reward feedback. I paired it with a random opponent to keep things dynamic. As the agent plays, it generates synthetic data, board states, actions, and outcomes that's used to improve its skills. The more games it plays, the sharper it gets at spotting winning moves and avoiding traps. It's like watching the AI level up in real time. Time for the fun part. Let's see it in action. Screen transitions to Jupyter Notebook demo. Here's the tic-tac-toe environment in my notebook. I start the game, and the agent, playing as X, makes its first move. The random opponent responds, and the board updates. Early on, the agent made some beginner mistakes, like missing easy wins. But after a few games with reinforcement learning and distillation, it started to shine. In one test run, I tracked 10 games. The agent won 8, drew 2, and lost none. Impressive, right? But when it struggled, it was because the opponent outplayed it, showing we need more training for tougher matches. The reward system pushes the agent to prioritize winning moves. Show a quick chart of results. Check out this chart. It shows the agent's progress over those 10 games, with wins dominating as it learns. And that's a wrap. The CAMEL framework is an exciting way to train AI agents using Tic-Tac-Toe, helping them master strategy through reinforcement learning. The more they play, the smarter they get, and this is just the start. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you experimented with AI training like this? Drop a comment below and let me know what you want to see next. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.